Igbo in Ghana visits the biggest and most highly respected Imam in Ghana, the National Chief Imam of Ghana. Just watch. According to Igbo in Ghana, this was not just a visit, it was a journey into the soul of humility and leadership. A father not only to the Muslim community, but a spiritual anchor to the entire nation. Igbo in Ghana continued to express his happiness and feelings over this visit. He said, "Here is something that we often overlook in our modern hustle. Visiting elders, especially those who have carried the weight of leadership, is not just a family. It is a powerful way of learning life's shortcuts that no book or degree can offer." Just watch.